there. Okay, so here I've gotten all the way to the end down here on this beautiful wood piece. I've covered it all up. I don't know if you could see that. So now I want to fill in these gaps, and it's going to be with a stitch called the faggoting stitch. And I picked out some beads that I decided to use. I'm going to use some red tiger's eye. Isn't that gorgeous? Some tan tiger's eye, which is the regular tiger's eye. And then some orange agates. And they're like crackled, sort of. And then I haven't wire wrapped it yet, but I happen to have this orange agate that I just recently got, and I'm going to wire wrap it in a brown wire or dark copper, antique copper, something like that, and I'm going to hang that for my little charm at the end. So I just kind of got all those together. So I wanted to show you, those beads are have kind of a small hole. Usually I look for beads with larger holes, but they have kind of a small hole, so I had to find a smaller needle. And then I had to split my thread. So I usually use waffle cone, a color called waffle cone, to do my faggoting stitch, because it's almost, you don't even see it in there normally. So anyway, I split the thread so it would fit through these beads, and so that the needle would fit through the beads. And I'm going to start, I usually go from left to right, and there's a lot of twisting and turning while you're doing it. So I'm going to start from the back because I want to kind of hide my thread. So I'm just going to, or I'm sorry, my knot. I want to hide my thread and my knot. So I'm just going to go in through the back and kind of force it through, but not pull the knot all the way through, because I want it to stay secure back there. But I like to kind of hide my knots when I do knots. I try not to do too many knots, but sometimes you just got it there. So it's gonna hide right along in there. And so let's see, where can I go first? So the first available hole I have is here. So I don't know if I want to go all the way. Yep, I guess I will. I'll go all the way down there. So I gotta go come up through my hole. Well, I could go down. No, I want to go up through it. So let's see here. I'm gonna go up through the hole here. Yep, it's coming right through. Okay. I'm going to go up through the hole if I can see. I'm going to have to turn this around. Okay, here's the first hole I was able to drill. So it would have been nice if I had more holes around this area, but it's real delicate and I just don't think it would work. So then you go up and around, then you twist it, because you want that little twist in there. And then I want to put a bead. That twist isn't very good. I'm going to do a double twist, because I really like to get the design of the twist in there. And these are going to be long. These are going to be different faggoting stitches. So then I'm going to put so you see that it's just kind of twisting around. I could pull it down over here. Yeah, I kind of like that better because it's not covering up the wood there. So anyway, there's a little twist. I suppose I could go back and I could put a bead right here, knot it in, but I'm just going to leave it for now. So let's get a red tiger's eye. Hopefully this needle fits through here. Yep. So then I'm going to go down, and I want to take every advantage of the space here. So I think I'm going to go up here. So you could just do it wherever you want it. Hook it up to. You just need a thread to hook it up to on the other side. So then pull this through. You got a little bead right there. Now I want to wrap it around. So I'm going to go back here, wrap it around here because I want that little twist on it. And then I'll go back up to the next hole. It's hard with these odd shaped projects because you need a few more hands than what you have. So then I'm going to go back up to this little hole here. I'm having trouble. So I'm going to go back up to this little hole that I drilled. Get a hold of it, pull it through. See, there's the twist there. Now you got to go back down because you got to get the twist in. Excuse my flopping around. I hope you could see this. So here, and then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to pick up that thread that was here and I'm going to pull it through and twist because we want that little twist design in there. There you go. Just pull it taut. So then, see how you can see how that's looking? It just kind of looks like it's hanging there. I'd like another twist or bead there, but maybe it'd be too much anyway. So then let me see if I can get an orange agate on here. So I got an orange agate here, and I could go back there, or I could go right here. I think I'll go right here. So hook it up to that. I'll watch this video to make sure you could see what I'm doing. Pull it through. Of course, I lost my thread. This stuff happens sometimes. Let's see if I can get it threaded pretty quick. I don't want to make you wait. Okay, when you can't get it threaded quickly, do that. Cut it so you have a clean cut. This is a little needle. Ooh, I think I got it. Yahoo! I'll make it longer so I don't lose it again. Okay, so I'm going to go right through here. Go down. Got to be careful with all the thread so it doesn't get all tangled. Here we go. Let's just see how that looks. If you don't like it, you can always take it apart. So that's kind of a diagonal. So then I'm going to go back up through here because I want the little twisty back there to give it that design. And then I'll go to the next hole. Oh, we came up. I got to do it the same way. Came up through here. Oh my gosh. This happens to me. So I'm all twisted. Here we go. I just want to follow the same pattern. Okay. Now we're back in business. Okay. Back up through this hole. Hold your needle so it doesn't fall back down. Oh, wrong hole. Oh my God, I'm just having a mess today. Maybe it's because I'm hungry and I can smell my food is warmed up. Okay, this is what not to do. Go to the right hole. Here we go. Okay, hold it. Here we go. Then you're going to go back down here because you want to be behind it. You want to be behind it and twist up around. It's a little more difficult than doing it in a basket because in a basket it's flat. You can hold it right there. And so then then you got the twist. You come back and around. So see, you got the twist. And then I'll probably go right over here. I'm going to skip one and go right here. Your check so you could see me. See now, on some of them you can really see the twist now. You could see the twist here. You could see it there. You could see it here. I'm going to go back up. And I might take this out because I might decide that I like just the orange or just the brown, but I'm thinking I'm going to want a mix of them. So now here I did, so I've done red tiger's eye and I did the orange agate. I think I'll do a brown tiger's eye now. Here's a real pretty brown. Look at the colors on that. Excuse my, I've got polish on me still. Oh. First you need to do the twist. I didn't do the twist. I'm just off today. Let me get this back through here. Nope. So see, I want to come back behind, do the twist. There. Now you really see what happens there with the twist. So then I'm going to go back up to this hole. I'm going to put a bead in first. We're going to do the regular tiger's eye, which is brown. And then I'm going to come. I'm coming from behind. Ordinarily, I could go from forward to back. But because the way the wood was shaped, I started the opposite way. And I just want to continue going the same way. And I can't see this hole. There it is. Here we go. Hold it so it doesn't slip down. And then there's the tiger's eye. So I don't know. Do I need more orange? Do I need more brown? I'm going to have to look at this. But I'm going to repeat this process all the way down here. Because I have holes all along here. So I could do a lot of beads in here. And then I'll probably just end it off right here because there's nowhere else to hook it to. So I'll probably end right about here, but I'll pull it down so it fills in. But that's kind of the faggoting stitch kind of freestyle, because you do it on a regular basket, it's a lot easier. But when you're trying to fill odd gaps, it gets a little more difficult. So I'm going to go back and look at this real hard and decide which beads I want. I think I'm going to go with the red tiger's eye and the orange agate. The brown is not, I don't know. I need to look at it under the light. But it's going to look really cool when it's done, I think. Okay, I'm going to try to patch these together and I'll let you know what I decided. Hopefully that helps you with the faggot stitch. I know it was a little backwards because it's hard to work around this and I kept dropping stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.